Hi there, Gary here from Restore Solutions. Well, it's the end of 2023. What a year! And we're giving out some awards. So, this Restore Solutions award is called Having a Go. Now, what's having a go? Someone that's just doing something different, where they're expanding their business or trying something new, nothing's too hard, really putting themselves on the line, trying to educate themselves. Now, this award goes to Shane McKenna and Joanne McDonald from Sabitas Restorations. Wow, these guys are phenomenal. The energy, the passion from both of them. You know, Shane has gone to the Flood House now multiple times to do training with us. Joanne's been there. Even though she's not out on the tools, she's been there because she wants to understand everything about it. They're expanding their business and taking on all different types of services. They're learning every day on what they can do. And they've started this business with nothing, and to where they are today and how busy they are tells me they're doing their customer service that they have is extraordinary. So with that, in 2023, these guys can't wait to see what they're going to do in 2024. A big congratulations to both Shane and Joanne and the team from Sabitas. Well done, guys, and good luck in 2024. And I can't see what you've got. Can't wait to see what you guys are going to produce in 2024. So we're giving you $100 from Restore Solutions. Thanks a lot, and have a good rest of the year.